You can order the alternator used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your engine and set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Ford F150 Car Battery. In order to remove the alternator, you need to remove the serpentine belt from the alternator pulley. Using a breaker bar and a 1/2-inch drive extension socket, loosen the belt by lifting the serpentine belt tensioner. Meanwhile, remove the serpentine belt from the alternator pulley. Then, release the serpentine belt tensioner. Take out the tool. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Remove the breather from the air intake hose by pushing the green tab and pulling on the breather. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the 2 clamps located on either side of the hose. Then, remove the hose. Using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the 2 screws from the alternator on the driver's side of the metal bar. Using a fork, disconnect the wiring harness from the metal bar. Then, unscrew the 3rd mounting screw from the metal bar using the wrench. Using the fork, disconnect the electrical connector from the metal bar. Then, unscrew the 4th screw. You can now remove the support bar. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 2 lower mounting nuts from the alternator. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. You can now remove the alternator by sliding it forward. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab with the flathead screwdriver. Remove the plastic cover from the negative terminal of the alternator. Then, using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the wire mounting nut from the negative terminal. Then, remove the wire. You can order the alternator used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Return the wire to the negative terminal. Then, screw the nut back on. Replace the plastic cover. Plug the electrical connector back in. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Return the alternator to its housing. Then, screw the 2 lower mounting nuts back on. Replace the support bar. Then, screw back in the first 2 mounting screws. Reclip the electrical harness. Reconnect the electrical connection. Then, screw the last 2 mounting screws back in. Finish tightening the 2 lower mounting nuts using a torque wrench. Replace the serpentine belt on the alternator pulley and lower the idler pulley. Replace the air intake hose. Screw the 2 clamps back on. Replace the breather. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.